është që ta shpërndaj me këto që dojnë me kriju evente s'pull me paktën. Yes, of course. Of course. So let's start. Kjo pamje që kam vënë këto faktikisht është e adresës ime të Microsoftit të code.org, në të cilën unë kam kriju një kështu tip projektesh, një adresë projektesh, në ku kanë punu fëmijët, në thonë drejten. Edhe shpërndarja në fakt mund bëhet sot fillojnë eventi tamam 9, se të përbashkohen gjatë eventit 9 sati, të shpërndaj pjesën e kësaj screen sharing. Kështu që do të vazhdoj ndoshta edhe në anglisht. Okay, stop sharing. Add here. Te discussion notes mund shkruani se çfarë pyetjesh mund keni për pjesën e kodimit deri tani, ose çfarë ju ka mund shkruan këtu. What was okay. What's the main activity made by your students in your events? In you code week 2019. Okay, I think you have made some events in your activities and have used lots of games or unplugged activities to realize the events organized in your schools or trainings or workshops, or I don't know. So everything that you have used, you can share it here, so everyone can see something new or something that is not done from others. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen to explain what I have done in my events in Code Week Europe. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can try to upload it in discussion mode. So here. I'll share my screen now. Okay. And we will be together in this part of my computer. So the first thing that I'm going to share is Europe Code Week. Code Week, and this is my account. I actually have done a lot of activities, but workshops too. So if I want to see my activities are here, and if I want to see other activities, I'll go to activities and map, and I will see every country's activities. So, hi from Romania. Good evening, Dan, and welcome in our Code Week event. in eTwinning. We are going to talk about Code Week events and what kind of events can we make to make different activities. So I'm going to share the map of the activities, and here you can add an activity, but before we will see how many activities are created in our country, so in Albania, and I think I'm going to maximize. I think it's 365, but I will see again. So I'm finding Albania. I think it's here, yes. And here are the events, but it's divided. So 365 and 4 and some other activities around. So if I want to see other activities, will click in places. So in my city. Hello, Alina. Welcome. And I think if you want to ask something, you can write in chat part. And for now, we are going to share how many activities are being done. This is mine, and I'm going to see the activity made by our directory of education in our city. So is the ZVA Shkodër, so the post of country of education in Shkodër, and this is made by me. But in the first activities that I made, I didn't know that the main time was from 5 to 20, so this is not the right calendar. So I made it from 21 to 28 the workshop. So I created another event here. Hello Gurie. Workshop online for CodePeak.org, and this is the activity that I'm doing now. So it's October 20. If you want to make an activity, we have to go in activities part and add activity. So I'm going to add an activity and show how can it be done. So in our actually the account is opened, so you have to sign out. So I'm going to log out and show you how to make if you don't have an account, how to make an account. So Mirë Valbona, and this is the part where you can log in, or if you don't have an account you can sign up, but you have to click this. So it shows you to log in with your credentials or to sign up. So to sign up, if you don't have an account, you can register and make your name, email address, password, and confirm password. So you have to take 2 steps and click on the square here and then register. But I'm going to enter. Okay, I'm seeing something. Just 1 minute. Okay. Alina, yes, you are in mobile. It's pretty difficult to type. Thank you for this opportunity. In fact, we've organized an activity focused on documentary movies in education using IT. Oh, it's very well, Alina. You can share your code of the certificate that has arrived in your email, so we can use it, maybe the CW19 and the other letters, so we can collaborate with you in this kind of documentary movies. Thank you. So you can share it, and we will maybe I will use it, and other members if they want. So anyone can share their codes to make activities with schools outside their countries. So this is the kind of taking an excellence certificate. Yes, Aida. So Alina, you can take the code here or another code. Good evening, Manuela. Or the other codes that someone is going to share with you, and you will share your code too. Po Lola, Manuela. Okay. Anyone can see the kind of how to make an activity. So I'm going to add an activity, and if you want, Alina, can you upload the code? But if you have done the activity, I think you have something in the part of tag here. In every country, there's a tag of leading teachers. So this is the main thing that we have to share with the other teachers to have like a mentor. So everyone can have a tag of their own mentors, teachers. If you don't have anyone tagged in your events, you can edit the events and you can have our tags maybe, and I'm going to share my tag, so I'm going to do this kind of activity. So this is my tag. So in other events you can make this kind of tag. So this is mine. Anyone can share their own